Hi guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. I'm your gardener friend Ruchi, and today we are going to transplant a hydrangea. So this was a plant gifted to us by a friend, and it had blue flowers. And those blue flowers, they bloomed the whole bunch. One, two, three, four. And once they finished blooming, so we cut them off, and you can already see the next bud growth from every cutting. You can see here. And if you look at the soil, it looks to me that it may be pot bound. So um, still there are a couple of months of summers are left. So I want to transplant it so that in this planter so that it gets more space and grow nicely. So let's try to do that. So first, I'm just going to gently just squeeze the sides to loosen up the soil. And you can see that it is already moving a little bit. So I'll gently squeeze the sides and push it. Yeah, see, it's already coming out. And you can see it is pot bound. So, intuitively you would think that you shouldn't be disturbing this plant and just put it as it is here, and it will find way more space and it will grow. The only thing is that sometimes what happens is that these roots, they are already habituated to grow in circle because that's how they were growing here. So they'll just keep going round and round. They'll not go radially out, which is what we want them to do here. So when the plants are pod bound like this, what you want to do is that you take a fork and open up the roots a little bit, not too much. You know how now these roots are like pointing outwards, and when they sit there in a bigger planter, they'll start to go radially. And of course in this process you will break a few roots, and that's okay, because main thing is that the main root should not get disturbed, and you just open them slowly all around. Not too much, just open them up, because right now it's like so tightly woven here. You just are showing them way to grow radially. These can be removed for now. So we have disturbed the roots, the tiny roots all around, and now hopefully they'll start growing radially. So now we just put it here and just fill the pot with the more potting soil mix. And then compact it so that there are no holes. I think we need more soil here. So I have kind of leveled it at the pot level. So now I'm going to water it. And you might already know this, but hydrangea needs a lot of water. It likes moist soil, not wet, but moist soil. So, and it needs a lot of light, not direct sunlight. So if you are putting it inside, then it needs, bright filtered light. and the temperature of 75 degrees, around 75 degrees is fine. But if it is outside, you want to uh, put it where it gets eastern sun, not southern sun, because southern sun can be really harsh. We'll do mulching. So these are well composted leaves, so we are going to just place them on top of that. So what it will do is that it will keep the soil the moisture of the soil inside, so you don't have to water it that much. Secondly, it will not let the weeds grow because they'll not get the sunlight. And third, it creates a healthy environment for the soil microbes, which helps in the growth of the roots. So that's why it is very important to do mulching for all the plants which are outside, because it just helps them grow and you don't have to water as much. So now it is done, and because we have just transplanted it, so for now we are going to keep it in a shaded area, so that it gets the respite from sun for a couple of days, and then we'll just put it at some place where it gets eastern sun, so it gets bright light, and then it will just grow happily from there. So it's been a few months and our hydrangea has been growing very nicely now. So I hope this video was informative to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.